welcome to the Hawaii Keiki Museum. We had a fabulous opening day. I really wish I could show you videos of all the happy people and the large crowds and everything that happened that day, but since I don't have permission from all of the parents of all of the kids that attended, all I can show you are a few of these photographs that were taken with permission. We estimate there were over 750 people that came to our opening day. And that just wouldn't be possible without the help of all of our volunteers like the Girl Scouts that helped us at the front desk. Volunteers like the elders that helped run the Planetarium show and kept the kids safe that were playing with the air scarves. And partners like the autism moms who came and built sensory bottles with over 250 kids. All right, I'm going to try to record the Planetarium show. No, you can't see me at all. Can you see any of the stars? Not even. You see my laser pointer. So over there, there's my laser pointer showing you the Big Dipper. Come on in, it's a little bit dark. All right, come on in. All right, come on in, sit down. Sitting down is good because of the motion. And if you start to feel sick at all, you let me know. Okay. All right, you ready? I'm going to turn the lights down. There we go. All right, look at all these stars. Isn't this amazing? Yeah. There we go. Constellations. These are the stars in the sky. All right, this is my little laser pointer. You see my laser pointer? See my laser on the ground? You see my laser? That's kind of fun, huh? I'm going to point all the way up there at the very top. That's the North Star. You see what star that is? Does that look like a little spoon? Can you see the little spoon up there? My laser's drawing on. And over here, this is the Big Dipper. Do you see the Big Dipper? Oh, he's getting ready to go out.
You shut the air down. Open it. There it goes. Yay! Where does it go? Back in the hole. It's such an awesome game. This is just wonderful. It's like a particle collider.
Wait, once you do that one, I'm going to do all four of them. One here.
One and yes.
Then that one, and that one.
The multiple.
Voice.
I'm working on getting sandbags.
What is a sandbag?
It's a type of, it's like this. You can't feel it. It's like a seahorse, except it's kind of weighted.
And what are you going to do when you get these sandbags? Where are we going to sell them?
We're not going to sell them.
This helps teach the children what happens upstream affects downstream. And what happens downstream can also affect upstream. And how water flows and what conducts you can use to create dams, such as the sandbags or these lovely rocks here. Most of them are called xenoliths, foreign rock encased in indigenous rock. From a kimberlite flow, which we only have two, from what I'm aware of, two flows like that in the state of Hawaii, where it was an explosive volcanic eruption, which took about a half an hour to get to the ocean from the top of the mountain. And with that brought up the minerals, other than our oozing volcano, which the minerals in the magma chamber have time to sink to the bottom. Well, the kimberlite flow didn't give them a chance to sink and brought out all this material. We've got minerals traced from hematite, magnetite, olivine, you name it, quartz crystals. We have the characteristics, actually some of them look like crystals. Some will have terminations, and it's the weight.
The weight?
The impeccable weight.
Wow.
Impeccable weight. It's just wonderful. And they come in all kinds, iron.
And now is this kimberlite flow near here?
Yes, it is. It's sure. It's closer than you think.
Clear coats to test
Oh, good.
so that hopefully we can get something durable that won't get scratched up.
How do you open
That's our goal.
How do you open the can of paint? Well, first you shake it, and then you use the key.
We don't have the key.
It's over there. There's a bunch of them.
Our magnetic wall here, the kids love it. They love this game. The children like this tall yesterday were just, here, no, I'm gonna do this. And they were doing an impeccable job. I was dumbfounded, but they were impeccable job of utilizing the wall itself. Yeah, well made. Good job. Yeah, let's do this. Well, here we have. We'll make it the effect of water downstream. Yeah, there we go. We use water droplet enters the top. How about this? H2O. Haha!
Can I try?
Of course.
I never get these. I'll just put it the highest I can.
Nice. Oh, let's see.
I'm gonna make my own.
Yeah, make your own.
Starts here. Then goes down here. And goes up here.
Yeah.
It's gonna work.
It's actually kind of good at making things.
I
Yeah?
think what he's doing is a little too steep.
Oh yeah, Cohen, you're doing a little too steep. All I need to do.
He's got determination. This is so cute.
Oh, thanks for that. Now.
We gotta go get his mom to get permission.
Oh. You can get his voice to be a voiceover. I'm intrigued.
It just shoots out from here. Oh, yeah, from here. And then it'll just go. And then if it does. Oh, yeah. We can just make it missing on your part.
They work well together.
They're a good team.
Yeah, you guys are good.
We are twins.
Oh, they're cute.
I think. Go. Oh, this one could. Yeah,
They're figuring it out.
I'm gonna try the big.
Nice job.
Nice! Bravo!
Mahalo. Aloha. Shaka.